This KLEVV CRAS V RGB DDR5 32GB kit delivers very high data rates that feel snappy in demanding games and content creation workloads. The use of premium SK Hynix integrated circuits and tight timings helps the memory stay stable even when you push it with heavy multitasking or long gaming sessions. Its compact, low-profile heat spreader keeps the height to roughly 44 millimeters, which reduces clearance issues with large air coolers while still controlling temperatures well. The white aluminum heatsink and translucent light bar give a clean, modern look, and the individually addressable lighting plays nicely with major motherboard lighting software. Support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO makes it straightforward to reach the rated speed with a single profile instead of manual tuning. Extensive validation on popular motherboards means compatibility is generally trouble-free as long as you follow the usual guidance about using matched pairs from the same kit.